Building a successful RV park is more than a solo journey. Let's explore how creating a high-performing team can elevate your business. In this video, we shift our focus to one of the most critical elements of successful RV park investing, building a high-performing team. The BOSS method emphasizes the power of collaboration and expertise. We'll discuss how to identify and assemble a team of professionals in marketing, management, and operations. Learn how to leverage each member's strengths, creating a synergistic environment that drives your park's success. This segment is all about transforming your RV park investment from a solo venture into a collaborative, thriving business. If you're ready to take your first step towards financial freedom and success in RV park investing, visit our website at bossmethod.net. The BOSS method offers comprehensive guidance, expert advice, and a supportive community to help you achieve your investment goals. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your financial future. Head over to bossmethod.net for more information and start your journey today.